Welcome to my channel, Defend Craft. This channel is dedicated to showing you designs as well as tips, tricks, and how to make various crafts ranging from hearts, fascinators, hand fan, bouquet, and much more. I showed you how to mold the Sinamay Fascinator previously. You could check the description for the link or above for the video. Now we're going to be transforming it to this. So the first thing we're going to do is take off the thumbnails. Now I'm making use of a cutter to do that because you can't pull it out with your hands. So you take off all the thumbnails like so. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is to pull off the cinnamon from the mold, the molded cinnamon. So the first thing we do is to cut out the excess like I'm doing. You be careful so you don't cut out the parts that you would need to fold on top of the hat wire. After you've done that, you start turning it around, putting your hands underneath the cinnamon to pull it out from the mold like that. You keep turning it till it pulls off from the cinnamon like so. So that's our cinnamon that has been molded. So now I'm going to cut off some more excess. Be careful that you don't cut off the part you would need to fold on top of the hat wire. Now there are two ways you measure the hat wire you want to put inside your hat. One is to take the rod like I'm doing and fold it inside. Once you've gotten the measurement, you pull it out. The other is to take your measurement tape and you get a marking on the fascinator, measure it all the way around. Then you will measure your hat wire with that same measurement and add an inch to it. In this video, however, I've already gotten my hat wire wrapped with bias. If you check our video in the description link below, you would see how to get this done. And the wire also used is this. It's kind of different from the wire I used in the previous video. Why this one is more malleable, it can bend easily. It's bronze in color, while the one you use for bigger fascinator is silver, so that you take note. So now what I do is put my uhu gum inside, line it at that bend where I'm going to insert the hat wire that has been covered with bias. Why this is covered with same color of bias is because this cinnamon was just double layer. If you just put the hat wire inside like that, it would be visible. So you cover it with the same color of the fascinator so that it's not visible. The next is to take your glue gun and stick those lapping parts. You stick the part up, down to cover the hat wire. So that's what I'm doing right now. Watch how you would get the hand of it. Just keep watching. So you put the glue gun there lightly, then you bend it. That's it. Next step is to put our bias. Now you can use bitter charm, but I always prefer to use bias. Okay, so I'm going to be using my hot glue and putting on the bias and then folding it round. So I'm going to do this all the way around to put the bias to cover all the edges. If you're new to our channel, click the subscribe button below and also the bell button so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Now back to our video. So the next thing we're going to do is put our elastic band. We measured it at 13 inches. So I'm going to be sewing it at the two edges there. Now it's sewn there so that it would hold firmly on the head. Not you will see it jumping on one side. No, it will be flat on the head. Enjoying this video so far? Please click on that like button below. Just tell us you love the video. Now time to be creative. So be creative. Add whatever you want to add on top of your own fascinator. This is the way I'm going to create mine. Just something simple and tush. And guess what? It's sewed the next day. Yeah. Okay, keep watching.